Can we really save our customers thousands of dollars?
We can do that just on the injection system. The injection system is just a hydraulic system, okay? Go to Milwaukee School of Engineering. The #1 fluid contaminant is air, and they say 75% of all hydraulic system failures are due to fluid contaminants. Okay, now, your fuel is the same as oil, the hydraulic fluid in a hydraulic system. The fuel is what keeps everything lubricated. When there's air in there, that's metal on metal, okay? That's galling and scoring. That's transferring metal from this surface to this one, okay? Caterpillar talks about when the plunger comes down to compress the fuel creates a shock absorber to spring off of. They also say when there's a lack of fuel, you get up to 50% greater force. Guess where your pop tip's coming from, okay? While it's pounding at its tip, it's injecting fuel through the orifice. And that fuel with air and high pressure actually creates a cutting torch effect, okay? Now, the cutting torch effects opens that orifice up little by little, losing atomization, okay? So then you have those three effects going on in the fuel system.
So that 10% of air, give or take, right, is knocking tips off, eroding holes?
No, it's not give or take. I'm glad you brought it up. It's at least 10% air in fuel stationary. When you go down the road and slosh it, that's where you get the majority of your air. When you have fuel under vacuum, you have vapor. When you increase vacuum by two ways, a dirtying filter, or atmospheric pressure.
Okay.
When you go up in the mountains, you lose performance because you lose atmospheric pressure pushing down on the fuel to help bring the fuel up. You have to increase vacuum. That's how we save injector life. That's also how we build horsepower, fuel mileage, and a few other benefits you can see in other videos.